This irresistible salad is made with succulent poached chicken tenders, crunchy cucumber, crisp okra, and fragrant shiso leaves coated in a fruity umeboshi dressing. It's so good and perfect for summer. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website. Just Google chicken tender salad /sachi to find me. Let's start by making an incredible umeboshi dressing. Remove the pits from 3 umeboshi or pickled plums, and finally chop the flesh with your knife until it forms a smooth paste. If you can't find whole umeboshi, store-bought ume paste works too, though the homemade paste from whole plums give you that more complex, nuanced flavor that really makes a difference. In a mixing bowl, combine your ume paste with 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. This aromatic oil is essential for bringing all these flavors together, so don't substitute it. Add half tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of yellow miso paste, then 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and well incorporated. As always, all ingredients and exact measurements for this recipe can be found in the description box below. Look at that fruity umami-packed dressing. Pop it in the fridge until we're ready to use. Now let's prep our cucumber. Cut 1 Japanese or Persian cucumber diagonally into thin slices. The increased surface area makes it so much easier to julienne. Stack those slices and cut them into fine matchsticks. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt, give it a good toss, and let it sit until serving to draw out excess moisture. While our cucumber is doing its thing, let's prepare okra. Trim off the tough stem end of each okra pot, then use your knife to carefully shave around the cap. That's the area around the stem, removing the tough outer layer while being careful not to cut into the seed cavity. Let's prep our chicken tenderloins. Now, we need to remove that tough white tendon, also called the sinew, from each tender. Make shallow cuts along both sides of the sinew, cutting about halfway through the length. This creates access points that make removal so much easier. Flip the tenderloin so the sinew faces down against your cutting board. Hold the sinew firmly with your non-dominant hand. If it's slippery, grip it through a paper towel for better control. Use the back of your knife, not the blade. Place the spine against the sinew and scrape it along the cutting board while maintaining downward pressure. Move the knife in quick up and down motions as you work from left to right. This motion prevents the meat from tearing and ensures clean separation. If you find this challenging, don't worry at all. You can remove it after cooking when the meat is easier to handle. Now let's bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and add salt. Add the okra and blanch for exactly 2 minutes. Blanching brightens the nice green color, improves the mouthfeel, and reduces the natural mucilage that can make okra unpleasantly slimy. This brief cooking time also helps the okra absorb flavors better while maintaining its distinctive texture. Immediately transfer the blanched okra to a nice bath, then once they're cooled to the touch, slice them. By the way, if you love this salad, I think you also love my crispy rice salad recipe. Check the description for more related recipes. Now, time to poach our chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of sake to the pot, and as long as your water is at a rolling boil, you can turn off the heat. Immediately add the chicken tenderloins, cover with a lid, and let them poach gently in the residual heat for exactly 7 minutes. We're using residual heat to cook the chicken gently, preventing it from becoming tough and dry. After 7 minutes, transfer the chicken directly to the ice bath. Now, let's assemble our masterpiece. Grab the chilled dressing from the fridge and add 4 shredded shiso leaves, the sliced okra. Squeeze those salted cucumbers thoroughly to remove excess moisture, then add them to the bowl. Shred the poached chicken by hand. Hand-torn pieces have irregular surfaces that hold dressing better than clean knife cuts. Mix everything well, making sure every piece is beautifully coated. The little sliminess of okra actually helps them all combine together. Transfer to your serving plates and finish with a sprinkle of toasted white sesame seeds, freshly cracked black pepper, and broccoli sprouts for color and a mild peppery bite. And there you have it. Every bite delivers bright green cucumber and okra with tender shreds of perfectly poached chicken, all mingling in the tangy plum miso dressing that'll make your mouth water. This is summer cooking at its finest. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my crispy rice salad video popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.